Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Layer Bar game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. Once you search for it now, the Steam website appear on the top, so simply open up the Steam website. Now here you will see the login option on the top, so just click on this login option. And guys, here simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account, then just create an account. So once you created the account, guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just click on the install Steam option on the top. Now guys, simply download the Steam and install it into your PC, and this is also very simple and easy. After that, simply open up the Steam, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Layer Bar, and this game appear on the top, so simply open up the Layer Bar game. Now once you open up this game, now here just scroll down and you'll see the option of add to cart. Now just click on the option of add to cart, and here you'll see the option of view my cart. Just click on the option. Now just click on the option of continue to payment. Now guys, simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have, and this is also very simple and easy. So once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Just go to your Steam library, and on the left hand side you will find this game. Just click on the Layer Bar game and then just click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, and bye bye and take care.